Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting YAML file to XLS, old Excel format. On my computer you can see I have a YAML file. I can right click and open it in Notepad just to show you what is inside. And inside is like text-based formatting. There is a data with a state, name, code, region and subregion for every state. And all 50 states is here from Alabama to Wyoming. And I want to convert all this data from a YML file to Excel, and I will do it. Let me show you YAML viewer. Yeah, this is free app. It's showing what is inside YAML file, and it represented as like a table format. So you will see the same information. It's free app. I will show link on this app into description. I will add link to this app into description. And you can see it has a table-like format, the same state name, code, region, subregion, same data from YAML file. And this viewer also have an export to different formats. It doesn't have XLS format, so I'm gonna use a different application to save this data into XLS, Excel format. And in order to do it, I will download application from this website. I will link site into description. To find app, I will click on search and type YAML to XLS, and I need this page, and I click on YAML to XLS. There is a YAML to Excel converter, and there is a YAML to XLS. And I click on download button to start downloading process and wait until archive will be downloaded to my local computer. I will be recording more videos on YAML format converters and different converters. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you'd like to see application like this, more applications like this, please subscribe to my channel. Also, this application can be used from command line. For example, if I want to download to convert like bunch of files to Excel, I can do that from command line. You can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI, start archive, and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click on run anyway to start installation, click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now let's close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we have to select YAML, one or many YAML files we'd like to convert to Excel. So if I want to convert many files, it will be many Excel spreadsheets into same Excel file, XLS file. Here it is my states YAML. I click on next step. Here I can select which fields I would like to convert. And for example, I'm interested only in state name, state code, and region and subregion. And click on next step, and on final step I click run, and it's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay. I'll just click save, and file has been created. I don't have Excel on this computer, and Excel or Office is not required for this program to run. However, I have, I think I have Excel Mobile. It's a free version of Excel, and it's showing what is inside Excel file. I cannot change anything. I cannot do anything with Excel file, but I can see what is XLS. And you can see there is a fields we selected: state name, state code, region, subregion, and all 50 states from Alabama to Wyoming. 51 because first is a row is a header. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.